Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate, and today I'm out here in the Melcon Farm neighborhood being developed by Taylor Morrison. We're going to be taking a look at the Armona model. This is the decorated model out here in this neighborhood. Now this model features 4 to 6 beds, 3.5 to 4.5 bath, a 3 to 4 car garage, and has approximately 3,221 square feet to about 3,914 square feet, depending on the structural options. All right, so here we're coming up on the front porch. Now there are different elevations for the Armona. There's a total of 4. And the Armona is available as a single story and a 2-story. All right, so here we are in the foyer. You can see the tray ceiling. Now, this is a structural option, as well as the tray ceiling in the dining room. So you can see this is a nice sized dining room. This table here seats 8. You do have room for a larger dining table. And the dimensions for the dining room is approximately 10 feet by 17 feet with 10 inches. Now over here, just across, we have a flex room. So this can be used as a study. And the dimensions on this flex room is about 10 feet with 4 inches by 13 feet, 2 inches. All right, so we're gonna continue here. And we have a rotunda over here, and we're gonna continue our tour to the left. Now here, we're going to find a powder room. Okay, and then over here we have bedroom 2. Have the closet over here. And this bedroom is approximately 11 feet by 12 feet, 4 inches. And then over here we walk over to bathroom 2. You're gonna have a sink here, and then a divider here. You have the shower tub combo, and then over here you have the other sink. All right, and over here we're walking into bedroom 3. Now bedroom 3 is a little larger. Now the dimensions for bedroom 3 are 12 by 11 feet. Here we have the closet. And then we have some additional space over here. Now this might be because of the bonus room upstairs. This model does feature the media with bedroom 6 structural option. Here we have the common living area. I'll give you a pan. And we have the kitchen over here. A nice sized island. Here we see the gourmet kitchen layout where you're going to have your designer vent. This looks like a 36-inch 5-burner cooktop. Then you have your wall ovens over here. And then back here we have the pantry. Right, over here we have a butler's pantry, and then we have the laundry room over here. Melcon Farms is an electric community, so you're gonna have the option for an electric dryer, also electric stove, and here's the garage entry. You have your 2-car garage opening here, And then you have your third car or your third tandem garage space right there. And we're gonna continue our tour over here, and we come up on the casual dining area. And this area is approximately 11 feet with 2 inches by 13 feet, 4 inches. And then here to the left, we have a media room. You can see the tray ceiling there. This is great for a game room, movie room. You can set up a pool table, foosball, or set up your TV here with your surround system. Next to the media room, we have bathroom 3. Now here we have featured a walk-in shower. And then we have bedroom 4. Now the dimensions for bedroom 4 are 11 feet with 7 inches by 11 feet 4 inches. Now if purchasing a single story Armona, these stairs will not be here. And here we have a view of the great room or living room. And this area is about 26 feet by 17 feet 4 inches. So it's a nice large great room. And here we have the lanai. Some of the quick move-ins do have the pre-plumbing and the vent for a summer kitchen, as we see here. Now, the way the model is decorated, we can see there's lots of space here for a table and then seating area over here. All right, next we have the primary suite, or the owner suite. Okay, we see the tray ceiling there. And the dimensions for this room are about 14 feet by 16 feet. Then we have the owner's bath, or the primary bath. We have one sink over here, the second sink over here, and then we have a garden tub here. We have the zero entry shower. Here we have the walk-in closet. And over here we have the water closet. Then a linen closet over here. All right, let's go take a look upstairs at the game room and additional bedroom. Now, I did want to take a moment to say that I do not work for the builder. However, I would love the opportunity to assist you in the purchase of a new home. If you're interested, please give me a call, shoot me a text or an email, and I'd love to connect. Right, and here we're entering the game room. This structural option features the game room here, and then also an additional bedroom. Now this area is 18 feet with 9 inches by 15 feet. It's a nice setup over here. These are great ideas for what one can do with this room. Have an additional gathering space. We're gonna take a look at the fourth bathroom, or bathroom 4. You have a shower. And just across we have a linen closet. Okay, and then a bedroom. And this bedroom is approximately 14 feet by 11 feet. Let me give you another point of view over here. Okay, and then the closet. If you'd like to know more about Melcon Farm or Taylor Morrison, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores, a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.